Hello. How are you? I'm Melik. I'm from Egypt. I'm Egyptian. I work as a teacher of English. I live in Luxor. I work in a primary school.
Hi, I'm Ahmed. I'm an engineer. The daily life of an engineer can vary significantly based on their specific field, e.g., civil, mechanical, electrical, software, and the type of company they work for. However, there are some common themes and activities that many engineers experience in their day-to-day routines. Here's a general overview. ###morning. 1. Commute. Many engineers start their day by commuting to their workplace, whether that's an office, a lab, or a site. 2. Planning and prioritizing. Upon arrival, engineers often review their tasks for the day. This might involve checking emails, updating to-do lists, and prioritizing projects based on deadlines and importance. 3. Team meetings. Engineers frequently participate in morning meetings or stand-ups to discuss project statuses, challenges, and plans for the day. Collaboration is key, so communication with team members is essential. Using CAD software for design, mechanical engineers. Writing and testing code, software engineers. Conducting simulations and analyses, civil or electrical engineers. ###afternoon. 7. Collaboration. Engineers may have meetings with other departments, e.g., marketing, production, quality assurance, to ensure that projects align with business goals and customer needs. 8. Documentation. Keeping thorough documentation is essential. Engineers often spend time updating project documents, writing reports, or creating presentations for stakeholders.
Certainly. Here's a way you might introduce yourself and talk about your daily life as a nurse named Mona. Hello everyone. My name is Mona and I'm a nurse. I'm excited to share a bit about my daily life and the rewarding experiences I have in my profession. Every day begins with a sense of purpose as I prepare for my shift. Mornings often start early, and I make sure to have a healthy breakfast to fuel my energy for the day ahead. Once I arrive at the hospital, I review my patient assignments and attend a handover meeting to learn about any updates or concerns regarding my patients. Throughout the day, my responsibilities vary widely. I spend time assessing patients, administering medications, and coordinating with doctors and other healthcare professionals to ensure the best care possible. One of the most fulfilling aspects of my job is building relationships with my patients and their families. I take the time to listen to their concerns and provide comfort, which can make a significant difference in their recovery process. I also handle various tasks, from documenting patient progress to participating in team meetings. Nursing can be challenging, especially during busy shifts, but the camaraderie among colleagues and the gratitude from patients keep me motivated. When my shift ends, I often reflect on the day, thinking about the lives I touched and the challenges I overcame. It's a demanding job, but knowing that I'm making a difference in someone's life makes it all worthwhile. In my free time, I enjoy unwinding with family and friends, pursuing hobbies, and focusing on self-care to recharge for the next day. Thank you for letting me share a glimpse into my life as a nurse. Feel free to modify any part to better reflect your personality and experiences.